I've had a lot of proud moments in 2024, including being named the Louisiana Teacher of the Year, attending a state dinner at the White House, and even going to space camp. But without a doubt, the most proud moment of my year was teaching my own 4-year-old daughter how to read. As a teacher and as someone who struggled to learn to read, I know firsthand how important and sometimes challenging the journey can be. But reading is the foundation of all learning, and all children deserve to feel the confidence and joy that comes with knowing how to read. So that's why I created Read With Kylie. And this year, I'm looking for 1,000 families who are ready to fall in love with literacy. Thanks to the Louisiana Public Interest Fellowship, I can give you everything you need to teach your child how to read for free. You'll get a step-by-step reading routine, an online course filled with videos showing you how to do every step of the way, the best books from early readers, ongoing support from a dedicated team of teachers, and more. So if you are a parent of a young child, this is your chance. Reading unlocks endless possibilities, and there is no one better to give your child the key than you.